Yes. Unless you fall, right? Pro. Now you're going to sit on it and go down that ramp. And she almost fell. And there's some other person, so I'm not going to record him. No one's looking at him go! Oh yeah, I got it. Say bye.